Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change country in YouTube. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to Studio. And as you reach out to Studio, make sure you go and check out the right lower corner. You will see multiple options. You make sure to go to Settings. And when you reach out to Settings, again, you'll see multiple options. You have to go to channel. This is your channel option, and in here you can see the country of residence, because I'm using this channel as, and this country the country belongs to this is Singapore, but it is not necessary that you can choose any country, and it won't affect your earnings or any of your earnings or any of your location, how much money you make. It doesn't matter. It makes no sense if you add any other country or false country. It makes no difference. So choose whatever country you want, and if I go to with Bolivia, I'll click on Bolivia, in case I'm letting you know how you can change it. So you can choose any country you want, and that way you can finally save it. And when you're done, you can check it out on your YouTube channel. You go to YouTube, for example. I go to my YouTube channel and see if it works, and we have chose Paraguay. It's the country who first won the football match tournament. This is the Paraguay country, and I think if this video really helped you, make sure to leave a comment below. We'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tide Schooling.